Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to create registration page using PHP. So I am going to use also HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So make sure to install XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL. After that, just go to your PC. Then go to your C drive. Then go to XAMPP. Then look for htdocs. Now create a folder. Keep the folder name registration. Then go inside the folder. Here we are going to create all the files. Before that, we need to set up the MySQL database. So step 1 will be setting up the MySQL database. So click on new. I will give the database name registration DB. So we need 4 columns, and I will give the table name users. So first ID, username, email, password you can give Parker, length 255, and don't forget to set the auto increment. Once you do that, just go down and click on save. So we are done with table. The table name is users. Now go to your folder registration. So I have already created the files. I have all the files and the code. Just go to the folder and then right click, open with code. Now you can see new file. Just click on that. First we will create the index.html file. Index.html. This is my code for index.html. Just right click and select all, copy, just paste. So this is the HTML tag. So I have taken a div class container. I have used the form action register.php method post. And I have used a script. Now again new file. Now we need CSS for styling. Style.css. So let's save all and test. So let's localhost / registration. So I can see the title registration form. So now we need JavaScript for client-side validation. Same thing, new file. Just type script.js. Now step 5, PHP Script for server side processing. Just click on new file and then just type register.php. So I have the code for so server name localhost, username root, password I don't have any password, so I'll just keep it blank. the database name is registration DB. Insert into table name users. I can just remove this. Now again create a new file and just type index.php. This is going to be the index.php for showing the successful flash message. Okay, now don't forget to save all. Just refresh. So for front end development I have used HTML and CSS. And for backend PHP. And I have used JavaScript for client-side validation. So let's give a username. It's admin55 and if I click on register I can see please fill out this field and let's give a email. Password 1234. I can see my password. And once I click on register, registration successful, and it is showing in the index.php. Now let's check database. So I can see ID is auto generated, username admin55, email and password. Let's create another. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.